What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Great question. Hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Jamie Williams and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button and share. Well, let's dive right in. If you're new to affiliate marketing or you've been watching videos and you don't understand what it is or how does it work, affiliate marketing is basically where you're going to promote other people's products. Every big box store, doesn't matter if it's Walmart, Amazon, they all have affiliate program. You can join them. And there's other programs like ClickBanks and a few others, Impact, that where you can sign up, go in. They got a ton of different stuff that you can promote. They'll give you a link, you promote it, and once you get a sale, you'll get a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. But there's a little more to it as far as how to promote and how to get that first sale. There's, one, if you're watching YouTube and you're watching a lot of TikTok videos or whatever, or just in general videos on YouTube, you're not going to learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing by watching a few 10-minute, 8-minute videos. What you really need to think about is, because nobody's going to talk about funnels, nobody's going to talk about how to run ads without being banned on Facebook and Google and all that stuff. You don't have to run ads. You can do it strictly organic. Just by maybe using Pinterest. I like using Pinterest. I got a lot of stuff. If you're not a subscriber to my Pinterest account, look me up. But you can do many, many things with Pinterest, and it's all searchable. It's just basically just like Google, except the pins, you're searching and looking at something you're actually looking at. So when you search on how to make money online or affiliate marketing, you may come up with a bunch of pins that actually say, affiliate marketing. But that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can promote different stuff anywhere. Like I said, you can pay for traffic or you can try to do it organically, kind of free traffic. I prefer the free stuff. That's just me. Sometimes I may pay for it. I may run, some ads or something like that. But mostly I try to get the free stuff just because it's, I think it's more of a challenge and to do it that way versus just buying ads. And, but that's just me. But let's get affiliate marketing once again. Remember, it's just you're promoting other people's products. You got to remember there's no shipping, there's no returns, and there's no dealing with customer service. Once you make the sale, you promote it, you're done. You don't have to worry about it no more. You've done all the stuff you're going to do, all the stuff you need to. Now you're just waiting on that check to come or that notice and saying, hey, you got a commission. So, which is what you're looking for. Now, if you're brand new and maybe you have been watching these videos and you started doing it yourself and you're struggling and you get frustrated, well, that's the problem. A lot of these videos and a lot of these so-called gurus, that they're going to tell you stuff that make it sound easy. Affiliate marketing is perfect for the beginner because, there's not a lot of money up front or any of that stuff. So, but I highly recommend that you get a little training because this is what happens if you don't. You're going to get out there, you're going to spend a couple weeks, you're going to spend a lot of time, you're going to get frustrated and say this stuff don't work. Well, look at me, and there's thousands and thousands of others just like me doing this every day. Working from home, making money, and making passive income. So that means you're making money doing the minimum amount of work. It's not mean that you're not doing the work. It just means you've already done the work on the back end. Now you're sitting back and watching the money come in. Because you're not making money until you're making money while you sleep. Keep that in mind. That's passive income. So the goal is learn affiliate marketing and we can help you. We got guys and gals who's been doing this for years, making 6, 7 figures already. So now we're teaching. So we want to help you turn your dream into an online business. Maybe you've already started. Maybe you've already got a niche, but you just can't figure out how to get it done. Okay? Well, that's what we're here for. We're here to help. And if you think we can help you, all you got to do is check out the link in the description and let's get going. You know, there's no reason to hesitate. Don't waste time, trying to figure it out on your own, because you're going to get mad, frustrated, and quit. We don't want you quitting, because affiliate marketing is not hard, but it's not easy. But if you got the right training, if you got a mentor and an advisor doing this, pushing you, saying, hey, this is what you got to do, this is the way it needs to be done, because you're going to cut out all the trial and error stuff, because they've already been doing it, so they already know what works, so they know that works, that doesn't. It's going to speed up your process. Why not learn something and make money at the same time? That way you could also quit that 9-to-5 job. Or maybe, you're a stay-home mom and you're trying to figure out a way to make extra income. This is it. It's perfect. Kids go to school, kids go to sleep, bam. You can work on it a few hours a day. That's all you need. Then you could be well on your way, to making extra money and having your own business. And that's what you want. Because once you get your own business, once you get, to a certain point with it, you can turn it into an LLC. It could be your name, or it could be your own, like something you made up, and go from there. But then you can use the business to write a bunch of stuff off, any expenses, stuff like that you can use to write off. So there's a lot of benefits of doing affiliate marketing and starting your online business and turn it into an online business. But you got to put a little effort into it, get the right training, get a mentor, because you'll be happier with the results faster if you do that. Just remember, I put out weekly videos, and don't forget to follow me. If you don't follow me on Pinterest, look me up. I got a bunch of stuff on there, and let's dive in, because next year's coming. It's only short time away. Why not get started and make next year your best year, and do it with affiliate marketing? I'll see you next week.